Okay, well this video is going out there to Bad 66 Chevelles. Buddy, how you doing? Nice work that you're doing over there. Okay, so here we go. Here's where your hood stops are at. These are what mine look like. Probably have to clean this place up a little bit more. And so goes right here under this big hole somewhere, and beside this guy right here is a oval hole. You got your horns that go onto your hood latch, and I'm thinking I'm gonna have to rewire this car again. These wires, I think they need to be going in through here and running all along these wire tabs like you had on your car, your support. Then here's the other one there. That's what it kind of looked like right there. This wire, you see, this guy should be, see how I have it hanging here? That should be on the other side, hitting, and it should come out through here. Come out through here, or come out through these holes right here to go to the headlight. Everybody else out there, chime in. Let us know which hole these wires go through. Is it this one right here? Or does it come out through here and go under there? Okay, what else? Also, while I'm here, I could ask some questions here. I'm gonna guess this is the horn wire. Anybody else know what kind of wires are supposed to come through here? Because look, I have that one missing. There's one right here that's missing right there. I don't know what that one goes to. And I need to re-clean everything over here. Put some dielectric grease on there. Let's see. What else? Yeah, and this is the setup I got from Finish Floyd. Ended up getting his power steering pump here. This bracket along with this pulley. Came with this double pulley right here. So I added this adapter right here and brought my fan closer to the radiator. This is a 1960 Plymouth Fury fan that'll bolt directly onto there. And there's the power steering gear that I also got from him, along with the hoses. Starting to show some age over there now. And my alternator right here, I believe it's a one wire. If anybody wants to know what this one is, I'll investigate some more, see if I can find some numbers on it. It's a one wire, or maybe a two wire. Here you go. Look, got your second wire going here. The wire is coming through here somewhere out to that guy right there. I don't like the way the wiring is in this car, so I'm gonna have to mess with that again. But there you have it, little short video. Hope y'all enjoy it. If you got any more questions, any comments, ask down below, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And until we meet again, adios.